Hello students, welcome you all in English classes of RDS group of school. So today we'll read the rest of the story of Gopal and Hilsa fish. So what is Hilsa fish? Do you know what is a Hilsa fish? Hilsa fish is a fish and everyone was talking about Hilsa fish as it was the season of Hilsa fish and the king was fed up with the talk of Hilsa fish. So he gave a challenge to Gopal that he had to buy a Hilsa fish and bring to the palace, but he had to take care that nobody speak a single word about the Hilsa fish. And Gopal accepted the challenge of the king. Now what will be happened? Gopal will be able to complete the challenge or not? Now we will know about the story. So Gopal accepted the challenge of the king, and after few days, it means after accepting the challenge of king. After that incident, after few days, what happened with Gopal? What he did? Why is face half shaven? It means Gopal wife was asking him that why he had shaven his half face. As you can see, his beard is half shaven. So his wife was asking that why he had shaven his half face. So what Gopal replied, I am dressing up to buy a fish. He replied that he was going to buy a fish, that's why he shaved his half face. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing with yourself with ash? Then his wife asked that what happened, is he gone mad or something else? What is the matter, that why he is doing the ridiculous thing, very funny thing? Smearing means to put something on the surface of the skin, to put something on, as we apply cream, as they apply anything. So smearing means to apply something on the surface of skin. So his wife asked that why he was smearing ash. The remaining part of wood or anything is called ash. Why he was smearing ash on himself? Then what replied Gopal? I told you. He remembered that he told his wife that he was dressing to go to buy a fish. I am dressing up to buy that. He was going to buy a Hilsa fish. That's why he was dressing up like that. Listen to me. Then what his wife said, please listen. Please, you cannot possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. She told him that he cannot go out in that dress, like half shaven face, smearing ash on the skin. The Gopal was looking very funny and ridiculous. So his wife was stopping him to go out in that dress up. What are you up to do now? She was asking that what he is going to do. How many times must I? And Gopal repeated his statement that he told her that he was going to buy a fish. I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. That's why Gopal was dressed up like that. It's happened to him. He is gone mad. Now his wife was thinking what happened with Gopal, why he was behaving like that. So he thought that Gopal was gone mad. Then what happened? Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Gopal bought a Hilsa fish and he started to walk towards the palace as it was a challenge. Mother, look at that man, isn't he comical? Comical means funny. So a child spoke to his mother that after seeing Gopal, that the man is looking very funny. As Gopal dressed up very funny, he half shaved his face, he smeared ash on his skin. So he was looking very funny. So everyone was watching him with very conscious manner because he was looking very different. So a child was telling about Gopal to his mother. he must be a madman. Some people were saying that he is a madman, that's why he is dressed up like this. Huh, I think he is a mistake, or some was doubting on him. I think that it is looking like mystic means mysterious. He was looking very mysterious. When Gopal reached the court, and when Gopal reached the court, what do you want? The gateman asked asked Gopal that what he want. I want to see the king, and Gopal told that he wanted to meet the king. You can't see the king, get away. What the gateman said, that he cannot meet the king, he should leave from there. They ordered Gopal that Gopal should leave from, he should go from there. Gopal began to dance and sing, and what Gopal did, he started to singing and dancing. Then inside the palace, then what happened inside the palace? The man is crazy. The gate man came inside the palace, and he informed the king about the funny man who was at the door. And what the gateman was saying, that the man is crazy, he is mad, throw him out at once. What king ordered, that they should throw him out from there. I want to see the king, let me in. Then what they informed, that the person is saying that he wanted to meet the king, so let the man in, bring that man to me at once. Then after hearing so much about the man, the king ordered that they can bring the man in the palace. Yes, your majesty. The gateman followed the order of the king. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. Now the gateman brought Gopal in front of the king, and the king recognized the Gopal, and he said, it's Gopal. The man has lost his man, and all other courtiers were thinking that Gopal has gone mad. I think it's one of his crazy, and someone thinking that he is that it is a joke of Gopal. He is being very funny. It is a one kind of joke that he is playing. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? The king asked that why Gopal was dressed up in this funny or ridiculous manner. Your Majesty. Then Gopal replied that you seem to have. He reminded him that the king was forgetting something. What was the king forgetting? The king was forgetting about the challenge what he gave to Gopal. So Gopal reminded the king about the challenge. Forgotten something. The king said that what he was forgotten. Then he, strangely enough, to no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. Then Gopal replied that today nobody is interested in Hilsa fish. Everyone was interested in Gopal because he was looking very funny, very interesting. That nobody noticed, and that was the challenge. What was the challenge? That Gopal had to buy a fish, and he had to bring it to the palace, but nobody should talk about Hilsa, and that was the same was happened. Everyone was talking about only Gopal. Nobody talked about fish. In fact, the king didn't talk about Hilsa fish. From the market to the palace, and then he reminded about that he gave Gopal a challenge, that he had to buy a fish and bring it to palace. And what is the condition? That nobody should talk about the Hilsa fish, and the same was happened. Only then did the king remember. Then the king remembered about the challenge, and he had thrown the what he gave to. Thrown means gave. He gave to Gopal. Ha! Now the king started to laugh. Well, Gopal, he congratulating him as Gopal won the bet. He completed his challenge. So king congratulated him. You have achieved the impossible once again. And he congratulated that he had again achieved the impossible thing. What the king was thinking, that it is impossible and nobody can do it. But Gopal completed that challenge. The story was completed. I hope, class, you have enjoyed the story. So now there are some questions, true and false. you have to try to fill yourself. You here you have to tell what it is true or false. The king lost his temper easily. It is true or false. Gopal was a madman. It is true or false. Gopal was a clever man. Is it true or false? Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. That's why he was wearing funny clothes. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. It is true or false. And after that you have to complete this phrase. Gopal, why is your half shaven? Gopal Bhai asked him. If student, you will try to fill yourself. If you will not be able to fill, I will send you the notes. By sending them, you can fill your exercises of your book. Okay, class. Now your story is completed, and tomorrow I'll send you the notes of lesson 3. You will note them, but before, make sure that your thought and syllabus is completed. And if your thought and syllabus is completed, you can send picture of your thought and syllabus on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.